My religion is better than your religion. My religion is better than your religion. This isn't what I think. This is what a lot of people think. And this is why a lot of people fight. Religious intolerance is one of the biggest problems in the world. But today, I want to show you a country that is trying to fix that. It's a Muslim country in the Middle East that you will never guess. The Emirates. In this Muslim country, you will find a lot of mosques, but you will also find Christian places of worship. 45 churches where Christians can pray. You will find a Gurudwara for the Sikhs to pray, a temple for the Mormons to pray, and a synagogue being built for the Jews to pray. And I'm pretty sure you didn't expect that in Arabia. This is a big deal. So many different types of religions are living next to each other in peace. Take the supermarket, for example. In the Emirates, Muslims don't eat pork. So in the grocery stores, you can't buy it. No pork here, no pork here, and no pork here. But to make life easier for non-Muslims who do eat pork, they added a whole new section to the supermarket where you can buy ham, pork, sausage, or even pastries that secretly have pork.
Probably gelatin. Gelatin is made from animals' hooves, so it's the feet of pigs.
Even though Muslims don't drink alcohol, non-Muslims can still drink it here, and bars can serve it. But when it's time for prayers, everything must stop to respect the fellow Muslims' call for prayers.
This signifies that now it's evening.
Oh, is that why they do it now?
Yeah.
That's interesting. I didn't know that.
And if you still have any doubts, just look at the mosque behind me. It is called Mary, Mother of Jesus Mosque. And this name was chosen to show respect and tolerance to the churches around it. This is a beautiful system where Muslims and non-Muslims can live together in harmony. That's why last year, the Pope himself came here to hold prayers in the heart of a Muslim nation. And Jews are welcome too. This is a big deal.
There is, for the first time in centuries, a new Jewish community established in the heart of the Arab world. Is nothing short of historic.
This is the tolerance the world needs. No religion is better than another religion. They are just different. There is still a long way to go for real tolerance here in the Emirates or in the United States or anywhere in the world. We have to work a lot more for real tolerance. But for today, I'm happy we get along. Nice! I think that was good.
That was good.
I think that was good.